Oh, gotcha.
Parrotfish.
That's what you like?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
Good catch, man.
Yeah.
It tastes good too.
Yeah, it's good. There's some pretty big grouper, like I'm talking like this big. They're very deep.
Grouper?
Yeah, so if you just throw as far as you can out that way.
Oh, dang. We cannot reach that way.
Huh?
We cannot reach so far.
Yeah, because it's shallow and then it drops off. And when it drops off, that's where the big fish are.
Yeah, that's all. Pero marami. Marami sila.
Oo.
Rain or shine, mga ka-share. Fishing again sa favorite spot natin. Diba? Alright. Doon tayo, kahit umuulan. Fishing pa rin. Yeah, pisyon. Wala pa pala. Antay muna tayo mag-pisyon, mga ka-share. Tapos, pag may nahuli na tayo, malat pa rin po tayo yung boses natin, sa pasensya na. Pero pag may nahuli tayo, on ko na lang ulit. Alright. First catch, mga ka-share. Anong isda yan? Mag-unlock na naman tayo. Unlock. Yan. Uy, balkoda. Para goods. Barracuda.
Walang kawala eh, sapul yun.
Oh. Barracuda, good size. Kala ko kailangan mo pa ng net ko eh.
Ano eh, ginanin nyo muna oh. Nihila konti-konti. Ganda pagkataga oh.
this? Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Lunok na lunok. Lelelo. Ayan o. Malaki-laki. Nabidyoan ba yan? Nabidyoan pala. Fish on. Good size. Ano, nakawala. Uy! Uy! Makakawala pa. Makakawala pa siya. Kakahagis ko lang, kinagat na. Very good ah. Yun mga share, hagis na naman tayo. Malaki-laki.
Lagay ko rito, pwede?
Sa gitna. Where are you spear fishing?
Huh?
Where are you going?
Just out here.
Okay.
I won't be in y'all's way.
Yeah, because we're fishing over here.
Huh?
We're fishing on this side.
Yeah, yeah. How
Thank
far out are you going?
Maybe like 20 feet.
Okay, yeah, yeah. I'll be way past that.
Good luck.
Thanks.
What do you usually catch?
Huh?
What do you usually catch?
What I like is the parrotfish.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But you gotta go kind of deep for parrotfish.
Okay.
What do you usually catch?
Oh, we just got emperor fish right now,
Oh, okay.
and then red snapper.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I've seen the yellowtail snapper out there too.
Oh, really?
And then parrotfish. I mean, but I only take them if they're like they'd at least be like that big.
Okay, got you. You see some cuttlefish.
Catfish?
Cuttlefish.
What's that one?
Cuttlefish look like a squid.
Oh.
Cuttlefish.
Oh, cattlefish.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you see some, bring some.
Oh, okay.
We'll eat them.
I'm not great at spear fishing, but it's fun.
Yeah.
You can. I mean, it's amazing how much you can see when you're down there, though.
Yeah.
You just see so much.
Yeah.
I wish I had a smaller, like the Hawaiian sling.
I wish I was brave like you.
Oh yeah?
I can just go over there.
I don't know. I don't know if I'm brave or if I'm dumb.
But it's good to swim right now because there's not so much current.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No waves.
Yeah, just the boat.
Yeah. Hey, good luck, man.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks. Just if I'm too close, just go like this to me.
Got you. Sinabihan ko, huwag lumapit sa atin. Diver, snorkel drive, spear fisher. Sana makahuli siya. Makahuli siya ng marami. natin mag-dive mga kasyar habang wala kumakagat na fish. Dive tayo dyan. Mainit eh. Okay. Itsura ng pinagpipisingan natin mga kasyar. Yan sila sinundo dun. Busy and busy. Wala namang kagat. Yan, fishing spot natin. Fishing. Okay.
Huh?
Pwede ba take a video?
Sure.
Thank you. Hey bro!
Just one little parrotfish.
Bro! Doon daw banda. Marami. Oh, gotcha.
Parrotfish.
That's what you like?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
Good catch, man.
Yeah.
It tastes good too.
Yeah, it's good. It's very good.
Said how big? What kind of fish?
There's some pretty big grouper, like I'm talking like this big. They're very deep.
Grouper?
Yeah, so if you just throw as far as you can out that way.
Oh, dang. We cannot reach that way.
Huh?
We cannot reach so far.
Yeah, because it's shallow and then it drops off. And when it drops off, that's where the big fish are.
Yeah. That's also the snag is.
Yeah.
That's where the snag is. On that drop.
That's true. Yeah.
Even if we catch something, one hit on the rock is to get
Yeah,
snapped.
yeah, right.
There should be a lot of fish over there, bro.
Yeah, that's where I caught this one right off where those
Like the woods, wood
Yeah.
frame. Okay.
that's where I caught this one.
All right, man. Ganda lang ano. Ganda ng langit. Ay, nawala. Nawala. Nakawala. Oo. Damn, laki yan, bro.
Laki yung bro. Tanga, malaki yung pre. Ano, sayang yung option na yun. Putang ina.
Nakawala na eh. Ano yan? Nylon? Nylon yan.
40 pounds.
Pinotol yun.
Oo, pinutol.
Oo, putol.
Putol.
Bakit, pre? Bakit? Laki-laki nun.
Malaki yung pre. Tangina,
Di man lang na-offset.
pangalawa na ito yung pre.
Hindi ka man lang na-offset, bro. Wala akong naramdaman. Ang laki na nun. Huli ko na yun eh kung ano, matibay linya mo.
40
Bakit?
pounds to eh.
Pag gano'n ko nga eh, pag gano'n ko wala akong naramdaman. Laki na nun.
Laki nung pre.
Oo. Ang lalakas ng hila. Ayun. Charge na experience.
40 pounds yan pre.
Putol o pinutol kagad. Di man lang na-offset.
Oo. Nahok yun. Ano, naputol.
Sayang naman nun. Ang laki na nun. Minsan lang may kumagat. Ready na ako ng konti niyan.
Pagkan na natin to.
Ready na ba ito isa?
Oo.
Maganda dito. Yung malaman-laman. Ito. Para mag-iba yung timpla. Yan. Ready. Yan pa natin mga ka-share. Try natin yan. Yun. Try and try. Wala na. Wala na pain. Release tayo mga ka-share. Uy. Catch and release. Ayan. Hindi ko alam na yun. Pero marami. Marami sila.
Oo.
Ayan na po sila. Manguli na lang kaya din ako yan. Meron pa. That's it mga ka-share. Uwian na. Kasi paulan na. Alright. Salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa next time again. Alright. Peace.